Hey Mike, not sure why you're having trouble with Teams. I would just go to teams.download.com, sorry, teams.microsoft.com/downloads, and I would download the Teams, click this download Teams, and then you would save the file. The file, I would normally put it in my downloads folder. I already have it here, right? And you can click save here. And once you click save, go to downloads and then double click on this file. You basically run. You can run it as an administrator or just run it. And it should run and install Microsoft Teams for you. So once you've installed Microsoft Teams, once the installation is completed, you should be able to go here and click on Teams, which should open up your Teams directly and not take you to the browser. Now, if I understand correctly, you're saying this is going to your browser. I'm not sure why that's happening. It should go directly here, this file here. So let me, if I'm not sure where you're clicking. Are you clicking Teams? And there's an account here. You can actually log in and create your settings right here. And this is what you should see. I hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.